ago when I first came here. So do you guys really eat dogs?
I know. People are so rude.
Frankly, originally, why Chinese eats dog is not because they don't like animal. It's because at the old days they're so poor, and the pig and the beef, the good animals, are fed to the rich people. So what do they have? They have wild dog running around. That's all they can afford. Rice cooking up. The trick is you don't want to add water midway. So you want to
Ooh!
you cut that out.
Accident happens. Oops.
Oops. Okay.
As you were saying, babe.
You don't want to add water midway, so you want to add enough water that you calculate the water that will evaporate. And then I add daikon, red carrot, and a little bit of tomato, and that's it. And let it to boil. Oh, and then
What about spices?
yeah, we'll add seasoning to it later.
Oh, later, not now.
No, adding it now. Later meaning after.
Oh, okay.
Bag of seasoning.
Magic bag.
Magic bag. This beautiful star. This one. The other spice we usually do this in vanilla.
And how long, baby?
Oh, we don't.
Oh, yeah.
It depends.
It's whatever.
Yes, because I have a secret ingredient. Jang jang. Nước mắm. But not like Vietnamese. We put a teeny weeny bit. Just like that.
That's the secret.
Yeah.